the top 10 most expensive electric bikes. How much would you be willing to pay for an e-bike? Number 10. The Drifter. Do you prefer the old times, where everything was supposed to be better? Well, this vintage bike rescues the best of a classic model, but of course, it takes that to another level. The Valkyrie company presents the Drifter as the first vintage e-bike created and designed in Australia that threatens to displace the classic motorcycles. This preciosity catches the attention of the most rebellious and toughest cyclists like Jason Momoa. It weighs up to 66 pounds and can carry up to 264.5 pounds of cargo. This makes you think that you're really riding a motorcycle, but without the annoying motor noise. With the Drifter, you can enjoy paved roads or a small adventure on the beach. The details in the accessories are simply phenomenal, like genuine Australian leather made to measure for the saddle and that you can feel in the handlebar grips. For all that and more, this amazing e-bike costs $3,800. 9. INTRIGUE E+1 Pro. It's the turn of female power. The INTRIGUE E+1 Pro was made by women and for women. The Liv brand, a sub-brand of the prestigious giant manufacturing company in Taiwan, designs thinking exclusively in the female market. And it has made that the INTRIGUE E+1 Pro light your senses for an exciting ride, since it's a bit larger than the average bikes. With its central motor Giant Sync Drive Pro of the Yamaha brand, this e-bike has a customizable power of up to 360%. Due to its geometry, the INTRIGUE E+1 Pro is reliable and maneuverable with Maestro suspension. Its tires are wider for greater stability and traction. For its elegant but aggressive design, you must pay more than $4,900. What do you say, girls? Would you buy it? Number 8. Hummingbird Electric. This is the lightest electric folding bike in the world. The Hummingbird Electric weighs only 22.7 pounds, just as a 1-year-old child would weigh. Super convenient. It belongs to the category of urban bikes, but it will allow you to travel for long distances and more speed with less effort. With the help of the 250-watt motor, the Hummingbird Electric will take you at a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Its frame is made of carbon, which makes it stronger. But what makes it stand out more are its high-performance Schwalbe Kojak tires with puncture protection so that nothing stops you in your journey through the pavement jungle. In addition, it has a reflective band to surf quietly through rush hour traffic. This little wonder has a base cost of more than $5,000. I don't know about you, but I love the convenience of this bike. Number 7. E-Crusher Carbon R+. With this bike, you'll go out to demolish any terrain, living true journeys. The E-Crusher Carbon R+ has the best in electric mountain bike technology of the Spanish brand Mondraker with a Shimano Steps E8000 motor and with the integrated battery. Its design is very detailed and elegant with extremely refined finishes. Just check it out! But what impresses most of all is its lightweight, full carbon frame and its double suspension system. It uses the forward geometry of the brand that allows you to have good control of the bike along with a top-level handling and stability. The E-Crusher Carbon R+ has a handlebar with LCD display of the Shimano brand for constant control of the 3 pedaling assistance levels, Eco, Trail, or Boost. If you die for having this powerful machine, you will have to pay more than $10,000. Surely, this one you take home. Number 6. GREYP G12S Custom. I have seen the GREYP G125 standing out among the fastest in the world. This e-bike was made by GREYP Bikes, an affiliate of the Croatian company Rimac Automobili, recognized for its high-end cars and e-bikes. With its powerful hub motor located at the back, it's able to provide an incredible 12,000-watt peak. Thanks to this, the GREYP G12S reaches 43 miles per hour. In its custom version, this bike eventually destroys many of them for being one of the most expensive, since the design team will work directly with you to create a personalized e-bike with your own label, just like the new ones used for the first time by Cesc Fabregas, Lionel Messi, and Gerard Piqué in 2016. If you also want to have this fantastic e-bike, you must pay a base price of more than $11,300 that are well worth it, isn't it, Gerard? Of course! Even Gerard felt that he was on a motorcycle. Number 5. BMC TRAILFOX Amp Ltd. If challenging mountain roads is your thing, this e-bike will give you an epic all-mountain experience. The TRAILFOX AMP LTD is a part of the 2.0 generation of e-bikes of the Swiss brand BMC and assures you a great adventure cycling long distances. The main frame of this bike is made entirely of carbon, which gives it great lightness. The TRAILFOX AMP LTD was developed with twin hollow core technology that integrates the motor and the battery. In addition, this model has a full suspension system, and its electrical system is the Shimano Steps E8000 with 250 watts, a transmission unit developed exclusively for mountain biking. The TRAILFOX AMP LTD was designed with a specific geometry that offers more stability for mountainous areas and has the pedals slightly higher to avoid bumps. The price of this warrior of the mountains is $13,400 and is available in 3 colors, but I'd definitely keep this bright turquoise version. Let me know in the comments which one you choose. Number 4. OPTIBIKE R15C. This spectacular e-bike promises to satisfy the demands of the amateurs of motocross. The R15C is made of carbon fiber and belongs to the limited edition Elite series of the American brand OPTIBIKE. The creation of this design took 18 months, and it's a combination of the experience of more than 20 years that the brand has in motocross races and in the building of e-bikes. As is the tradition of OPTIBIKE, only the highest quality performance components were used, like Fox suspension, SRAM code brakes, and carbon fiber handlebars. In addition, the R15C has a removable lithium-ion battery, an OPTIBIKE MBB motor of 1650 watts which you can fly in impossible terrain, and, with a single charge, its battery will allow you to travel a maximum of 75 miles. The sum of all these great features make it cost $13,900. Number 3. AUDI E-BIKE. Do you like the elegance combined with a good dose of adrenaline? Well, it's time to meet one of the best. The AUDI E-BIKE leads the list of the fastest because it can reach up to 49 miles per hour. It's a 2-wheeled rocket. This superbike is made of carbon fiber and has double suspension. One of the most modern details is its 4.3-inch full-color screen from where you can choose the use mode of the motor, turbo, sport, touring, or eco. This system also includes a GPS navigation, and you can connect it to your smartphone. In addition, the AUDI E-BIKE shares the famous e-tron technology with the luxurious cars of this German brand. Its Bosch motor, with the new direct flow technology of 250 watts, is located at the center and connected to the pedals. From the AUDI E-BIKE, only 100 copies went on sale, being one of the lightest of this top with only 40 pounds, almost the same as an adult Beagle breed dog might weigh. Each bike had an estimated value of $17,000. And you would like to show it off? Obviously, it'd be the perfect partner for your Audi R8 that feels very alone in your garage. Number 2. M1 SPORTTECHNIK SPITZING World Cup. Do you want to ride a super e-bike? Here you have the M1 SPORTTECHNIK SPITZING World Cup, a high-performance champion in today's world market for its technology and impressive design. Regarding the price, not to mention $18,500. Yes, I know, all a bargain. But the Spitzing World Cup is worth it since it's a totally original and German-quality e-bike. It belongs to the ultra-modern models of e-bikes of the M1 range, designed by the SPORTTECHNIK brand. It's equipped with a full suspension, integrated of components of the experienced Fox company. The angular frame of the M1 SPORTTECHNIK Spritzing World Cup is made of carbon fiber and has super-resistant 6-spoke wheels. Its lithium manganese cobalt battery has 880 watts and provides a spectacular autonomy of up to 124 miles. You can enjoy all its features in the city or in the countryside with its cross-country travel. Do you dare? Number 1. TREFECTA DRT. The most advanced, the most sophisticated, the most elegant, the latest of the latest. This beauty belongs to the royal family of e-bikes since it focuses on innovation technology and intelligent engineering. The TREFECTA DRT was designed and developed by a group of Dutch, Swiss, and German professionals who worked arduously, giving as a result this fierce machine that stands out not only for its design, but also for its functionality. The best materials of the aerospace and automotive industry were used for its creation. This includes strong and lightweight carbon fiber wheels and even its off-road tires that are sturdy to provide the highest level of grip as you venture through inhospitable places and incredible landscapes. The TREFECTA DRT has a strong, powerful BLDC motor and, with its lithium battery, charges in less than 3 hours, allowing a range of 62 miles. You can configure it with the color, features, and options of your choice. This perfection-made a bike eventually destroys to all the bikes you have seen until now, with a base price of about $25,000. What are you waiting to get on? If you like this video, I have 3 simple steps for you. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to TrendMax by activating the notification bell, and choose one of these options for more speed and adrenaline. Don't miss it!